In every single research report about where people prefer to invest in Dubai, there are three patterns they always follow. People love waterfront communities, downtown living, as well as green lifestyle communities. Now, why am I telling you this? Because Dubai Creek Harbour is the only master community in the city that combines three major demand drivers in one place. And right now, Dubai Creek Harbour is coming up with the new waterfront launch, which is a rare opportunity you wouldn't want to miss. You get one of the largest parks in Dubai, so the green, family-focused lifestyle is right here. You get direct waterfront living with marina-style promenades, so the premium water demand is also there. On top of that, Creek Harbour itself is basically a new downtown in the making. We are talking about one of the tallest towers in the world, one of the largest malls ever built, a full global landmark district, schools, hospitals, daycare, and one of the highest metro stations in Dubai connecting the entire master plan. So when people say Dubai Creek Harbour is the future, this is exactly why. It captures the reasons people invested in Marina, the reasons people invested in downtown, and the reason families invest in Dubai Hills, but all combined in one premium destination. Now, if you look at Dubai Creek Harbour strictly from an investment point of view, I genuinely believe it has taken investors to another level. And let me explain why. Now, the people who invested years ago in Dubai Creek Harbour, they had entered at a price of 1,500 to 1,600 dirhams price per square foot. And now the prices are way up. We are talking about 3,000 dirhams price per square foot. It's almost double the appreciation in majority of the towers. And even the low-rise apartments that people purchase for around, let's say, 888,000 dirhams, those same units are now almost double the price. And a rental return between 12 to 13%. So double the appreciation, stronger rental ROI, and extremely high end user and investor demand. And this is all practical, real, and proven. And that's why I'm telling you all of this. So if you're looking to invest in a project to achieve 50 to 60% of capital appreciation in Dubai, backed by one of the top developers in the city, then you need to watch this video. Keep watching because I'm going to tell you all the reasons why you should or shouldn't invest here, right now. The main thing is that Dubai Creek Harbour and Dubai Creek Tower, which is going to be one of the tallest towers in the world, has not even launched yet. Once the tower launches and the mall and everything around it opens, we are going to see the prices boom. Right now, we are selling at around 2,400 dirhams price per square foot on an average, which is quite fair. But we even expect these prices to rise 3,000, 4,000 or even 5,000 dirhams price per square foot easily. If you're interested in investing in Dubai Creek Harbour is coming up again with waterfront buildings. And this will be the last time you will get this opportunity to invest in a waterfront property here. Now, if you want to know more, if you want to invest, and if you want to get that 50 to 60% of capital gains from your investment, plus the 8 to 10% of rental ROI, then contact us right now. We will share with you all of our analysis and show you exactly how this is possible.